Bum 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 bum.
What?
Hi. Just a quick note about Zbrush's Sculptris Pro with the tessellation, decimation, all sorts of words you'd never use. The conceptual power of Sculptris is amazing. There are places like GrabCAD, Sketchfab, Thingiverse, just to mention a few. This bull's head, for instance, is by Erratic, and it was on Thingiverse, and I just grabbed it up.
What?
With Sculptris, I built a quick body, and then I brought the head in, and you can see that I'm beating the daylights out of it right here. But there's all sorts of stuff that I can grab, STL, FBX, OBJs, that I can begin a concept with.
Bum, bum, bum.
As far as Sculptris, the power here is the fact that you can go in and take some pieces, some elements, and get sloppy, and then come up with some good concepts to start from. Here's some insert meshes.
Oh
from
no. Today's word? Meshes.
a guy with a horn.
Meshes.
I'm not a bullologist, but I'm
Excuse
pretty
me?
sure that thing there that I added was it's a cylinder. I have no idea what the thing's called anatomy-wise, and no, I'm not going to Google it. You can Google it. So I'm busy. I'm making sketches. The power that I'm trying to get across here is with Sculptris, you can quickly come up with an idea or a concept that you could decide afterwards, okay, do I want to follow this or do I not? But you've spent all of like 20-30 minutes just goofing around with this sucker. It is a blast, and I just want to say hats off to Zbrush. You've literally got a program here that anything that I grab a hold of, STL, FBX, OBJ, PLY, and all of a sudden I'm messing around with it, pulling it, tweaking it, making it fat, making it skinny. It's just awesome.
Dun-dun-dun.
I highly suggest that you guys look into Zbrush's Sculptris Pro.
Thanks so much.
With all the insert meshes and VDMs, you will not be sad.
Well done, cadet.
Okay, bye.